Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found this video because today we're going to make an incredibly powerful oil blend for fast hair regrowth. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. But before we dive into the recipe, if you're loving my videos and finding these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your support means everything to me, and it helps me keep bringing you more amazing natural remedies like this one. So go ahead. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. All right, let's get into today's recipe. This is one of the most effective and fastest working oil blends for hair regrowth. And the best part? It's 100% natural and easy to make at home. We'll be combining powerful oils and herbs that are known for promoting healthy hair and faster growth. For this magical blend, we'll be using 1 cup of coconut oil as our base for deep hydration, 2 tablespoons of castor oil for thickness and strength, 5 drops of rosemary essential oil to stimulate hair follicles, 5 drops of peppermint oil to boost scalp circulation, and for the herbal infusion, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of dried amla powder, 1 tablespoon of bringraj powder, 5 to 6 hibiscus flowers. We start by infusing our herbs, fenugreek seeds, dried amla, bringraj, and hibiscus, into the coconut oil. Heat the coconut oil gently on low flame, and once it's warm, add in the herbs. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, so all the goodness from the herbs gets absorbed into the oil. This step is crucial because these herbs are packed with nutrients that promote stronger, thicker hair. Once the herbal oil is cooled and strained, we'll add 2 tablespoons of castor oil, along with 5 drops of rosemary essential oil and 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. These oils work wonders for increasing blood flow to the scalp and helping your hair grow faster and healthier. Now, apply this oil to your scalp, massage it in gently for 5 to 10 minutes to boost circulation, and leave it on for at least an hour, or even overnight for maximum benefits. You'll start to see your hair getting stronger and thicker with consistent use. That's it for today's video. I really hope you try this oil blend and see the amazing results for yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more natural remedies like this. Let's grow healthy hair together.